Example. Okay, so we take our prosciutto slice, and we lather it up with some Boursin. I've got the shallot and chive Boursin. You don't want to get Boursin with fruit in it because that would just be kind of gross.
Yeah, really gross.
Really gross, right? So you slather it on there.
Boursin has fruit in it.
Gotta take a lick of that. Okay, then you're gonna take your piece of washed and trimmed asparagus, and you're going and you're going to wrap the prosciutto in it. Look at that. Right? So I'm pre-making these. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put them on a sheet, and you're going to make a whole bunch of them, and you're gonna put them on a sheet, and you're gonna bake them. And it's gonna look like, taste like bacon, creamy with the cheese, wrapped asparagus. The end.